Now at 9, one of the 6 teens accused of murdering local bartender Stephen Garrick may be going to jail, but not for the murder. As News 13's Marissa Lucetto reports, the teen faces up to 15 years in prison, but that's only if he's sentenced as an adult.
18-year-old Ryan Archibek was facing a murder charge in this case. Today in court, there was no mention of murder at all, as he pled guilty to 4 lesser counts.
With respect to aggravated burglary with a deadly weapon, count 2 of the indictment, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Ryan Archibek would plead guilty 3 more times.
Guilty. Guilty. Guilty.
Are you doing this because you think it's the best thing for you to do?
Yes, sir.
Archibek is one of 6 teens accused of shooting and killing Albuquerque bartender Stephen Garrick in his driveway after a night of mobbing, breaking into homes and vehicles last summer. Today in court, prosecutor Larissa Calloway told the judge the state had come to an agreement with Archibek and his attorney.
We're pleased with the outcome in this particular case. However, in a lot of ways, it's still just the beginning.
Archibek pleaded guilty to 4 felony counts, including aggravated burglary with a deadly weapon, and faces up to 15 years in prison. That's if he's sentenced as an adult.
We will move into the amenability stage and see exactly whether he will be sentenced as an adult or a juvenile. So one phase is ending and another's begun.
But before the judge accepted Archibek's plea deal, he made sure the Garrick family knew Archibek was off the hook for murder.
I think their opinion is very similar to a lot of other individuals who've lost someone in such a violent way, which is that 200 years, 500 years would never be enough. However, we discuss with them the risks of trial, all of those things that certainly factor into our consideration when making an offer.
Today on a Facebook page dedicated to Garrick, a post was made disagreeing with the outcome. As for Archibek, he'll undergo a psych evaluation in the next 30 days, and then a hearing will be set to determine if he'll be sentenced as a juvenile or as an adult. Marissa Lucetto, KRQE, News 13.
The prosecution says plea offers have been extended to the other 3 defendants who were charged as serious youthful offenders.